Hello, I'm Oliver. Here, that's the bulldozer from LESU. We get it painted and assembled with light and sound system. Let's see how to operate this one. First, light on, and warning light, sound, horn, engine sound, started. So left track, right track, reverse, forward, spinning to right, backward. Let's see, start the pump. So the ripper, rear side ripper, lift up, down, up. Increase the pump load, will be more fast. And the front arm, blade turning left, turning right. Blade tilting to left, to right. Let's see about the radio settings. I'm using Paladin EV radio. So go to settings, go to function assign. So channel 1, left track, VRD. Channel 2, right track, VRE. Channel 3, J1, that's the ripper. Start the pump. J1, that's the ripper, channel 3. Channel 4, that's the front arm, J2. Channel 5, J3, that's tilting the blade. Channel 5, J3, tilting blade. Channel 6, that's for turning the blade, J4. Now pump at low load. Channel 7, hydraulic pump, VRA. Channel 8, the LED light, SWF. Now flashing, off, on again. Channel 9, that's the sound system, start and horn. Sound off, sound on. Channel 9, sound, SWG. Channel 10, SWC, that's the turning warning light, SWC, channel 10. Warning light, changing different mode. Channel 11 here have no control switch because that's the track engine sound. Channel 11 have a plug, but mix control by left and the right side track. So let's go to C. Go to the Pro Mix. Pro Mix is here. Pro Mix. So mix 1 and 2, it is on, always on. Mix 1, master left track, slave channel 11, the track engine sound. Control curve, so one line. So no matter drive forward, backward, the track sound will be on, the throttle sound. Okay, so mix 2 will be same, only right track and channel 11. So here, let's go out to see for the endpoints. So mostly it's the track. Track I'm setting not fully speed, yeah. So forward 90%, backward 80%. Also same for the right track, left and right. So if when you drive and you see the speed a little difference, you adjust from here. Because the gear's resistance not exactly same, yeah. Speed difference, adjust from here, the load. Okay, for the pump, channel 7. So most left side it is off. So go to the middle, it starts. Now it's 50%. Normally 20–30% is enough to move in it. So if you want more power, you increase. Here the side cover can be opened. You will see inside the valve block on top. You switch, open it, lift up. You can see top of the valve block. Here that's the pressure release valve. Pressure already adjusted. It's better not to touch it. So downside, here the inside that's the oil tank. Turn it around. Open this side door, you will see oil tank and all the hose. Also, cabin can be opened for both side door to see inside decorations. After receive, you remove the glass protection. It will be more beautiful. Rear side cover, open it. Here that's the battery chamber. Put 3S battery and the receiver inside. So this one for my customer is he don't want a radio, so I put a receiver and all the plugs which from channel 1 to channel 11 which function already put tab, so he can set up for the radio control easily.